What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to delete a game in your PS5 Pro. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, choose the game you wanna delete and then press the option button or the menu button. Once you do that, go down and click delete. So it's asking you, this item will be deleted from cancel storage. Click OK and wait. So as you guys can see, we just deleted one of the games easily without any issues. So if you like this video, share with your friends, visit our website theinternetmullah.com, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching this video. Bye.